Welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and I'm currently streaming this In Printing Color on twitch.tv/pezliz. And with In Printing Color, we like to explore Polymaker's Panchroma catalog of beautiful colors. And on twitch.tv/pezliz, I like to be creating 3D printing content that empowers people to learn, make, and share with confidence. And I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite lines of filament. And we are going to focus on one color, but I am going to show you a couple colors right away, because what's one filament if you don't have four, right? So this is Polymaker's Panchroma Gradient Matte PLA. Specifically, I have the seasons here. So the seasons are a really fun set of gradients. As you can see, we've got first up in this lineup, the spring, which is reminiscent of cherry blossoms in, of course, a pink to blush and peachy tones. I've already done in printing color about the fall gradient because it's just so stunning with the yellowy, peachy orange to dark orange. The next up is the summer filament, which some may argue looks more like spring, which is, of course, a beautiful cascade of greens. And winter, which is a lovely, cool purple to periwinkle to blue. So we are going to take a look at the beautiful summer gradient, and I have right in front of me one of James the Printer's new canisters, which is a very breathable canister, as you can see. And if you take a look at this gradient, of course, we've got like a lime going into a beautiful spring green color here. So let's take a look at it on the Polymaker website, because that's the best place to take a look at this beautiful filament. Now, the matte summer filament, as you can see, is a beautiful set of greens. And what's interesting about this filament, not only is it matte, which gives it a beautiful finish, but it is a gradient, and Polymaker does something really great with their gradients, and that is they list the cycle. So that means if you start printing something, and let's say it's 45 grams, you're probably only going to get through to one of the colors, unless you're in the middle of the transition. So you'll have, you know, the medium green going into the lime, or you'll have all lime or all medium green. So in the case of printing, you want to take a look in your slicer of how much filament is estimated to be used, and you can certainly see how much filament you're going to be using. Now, so for example, with this model, obviously with a 90-gram cycle, you see the cycle go through quite a few times, which is really awesome, and you get a really beautiful striped effect. But this filament is, of course, a matte filament, and with Polymaker, you really don't need to have any special settings for this filament in your regular slicer. It will print with stock filament settings. But let's take a look at some of the other colors that are available in the matte gradient collection. This one is especially beautiful, but let's take a look at some other ones. This is a personal favorite of mine, the Gradient Matte Pastel Rainbow. I am a huge fan of this. This one does have a cycle of 200 grams. So to get through all of those colors, as you can see with these examples, it does take 200 grams of filament. The Matte Cappuccino is a really fun one. I've printed quite a few things in this before. And as you can see, it very much is cappuccino. We're going through all the different shades of coffee and foam. And this is a cycle of 160 grams. In the seasons, we do have spring, as I've mentioned, which is reminiscent of cherry blossoms. That has a 90-gram cycle. Of course, the summer, which we've celebrated already, has a 90-gram cycle as well. The fall also has a 90-gram cycle, and the winter has a 90-gram cycle. So all the seasons do have that beautiful cycle of 90 grams. So it's pretty reliable on what you're going to get when you're printing. There are other gradients added to the collection, including wood. And so wood is a little bit different from the cappuccino, as you can see, because it's a sort of on the darker end of things. And this one for wood has a transition of, oh, it says cappuccino does not smell like cappuccino. And wood, I don't have, we'll have to tell Polymaker they need to have the cycle for the wood. I don't see it here. Interesting. But I have printed some beautiful things with the wood filament. But new to the matte gradients are the Tropical Squeeze, the Lavender Fizz, the Mint Splash, the Matte Sky, the Matte Sandstorm, and the Matte Tornado. So these are new as of the winter. And those ones have different cycles, which are all listed here on the Polymaker website. So between 110 and 60 gram cycles for these filaments. So that means when, as I mentioned, when you're in your slicer, you can see how much of the filament you go through to get the full transition of these colors. Polymaker matte filaments are especially beautiful for things like home decor, for printing any sort of treasures. A lot of people really enjoy it for fidget clickers and for all of those fun prints. And of course, our friend the Kit Kiln uses the matte filaments for almost all of the models, because you'll find with matte filaments they are especially malleable when it comes to press fitting things. I actually use Polymaker's matte filaments for my pezFinity, because when you're trying to put a Pez dispenser into a footed slot, you want to have a nice, soft but sturdy base. So absolutely love it. But since it is spring going into summer, I highly recommend taking a look at all of the gradients, but this absolutely magical summer gradient is one of my favorites. It's very grassy. It's fun for decor, but also for all kinds of whimsical prints. Think of fairies and mushrooms and all those fun things. So this has been Imprinting Color. Let me know what colors you're interested in learning about, what materials you're also interested in learning about. We do explore the Polymaker Panchroma PLA library, but I also venture out into other filaments as well. And of course, leave a comment in this video of what you'd like to see and what your favorite matte gradient is. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much, and happy printing.